How to fix your Atom Bank app not loading. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply you need to clear all of the cache of your application. For that, simply go back and in here get to your settings, and then from here scroll down a bit, tap on general, and in here tap on iPhone storage. From here, what you're going to do is simply search for Atom, right? So after searching for Atom here, you'll be able to see the app. Tap on it, then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time in order to confirm. After a few seconds, the application will successfully be offloaded and you will be able to see reinstall app. Tap on reinstall app. Within few minutes the application will be reinstalled back on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. I'm pretty sure that you have already fixed the issue. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then secondly, ensure that your mobile device is not rooted or jailbroken, as Atom Bank blocks the rooted OS environment. And lastly, you can simply try to uninstall the app, restart your phone, and then reinstall from the official app stores. And I'm pretty sure that you will actually be able to fix your Atom Bank app not loading. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.